And here we have it, the StreamDeck XL. This is a major upgrade for me, y'all. I've had this 15 key StreamDeck for a while, and it's just very limiting when you want to do more with your scenes in OBS or OBS Streamlabs, whichever one you're using, or whatever software you're using to stream. This is definitely going to be a game changer. 32 keys, I mean, it's a lot more you can control with this StreamDeck XL. I mean, look at it. It's nice. I mean, I really like the design of it. Take this plastic off right here. So it's like a non-slip pad there. Arrange this stuff real quick. Here we go. Oh, that doesn't come out. It's kind of weird how they just put like a little hole here. You would think that would come out so you can grab this easier. There's your cable. There you go. All right. Take a look at here. So this just comes off. It's magnetic. So that's cool. Don't see the, okay, here it is, the plug-in. Look at it in the corner here. I don't really like this. I feel like this should be moved. Should have been like in the center somewhere, you know. I don't know. I feel like that's kind of a weird design that it goes off to the side, because the hole of this thing here is goes straight in from the back. So it's kind of like a weird way to put it, but whatever. But other than that, it's a great design. All right, everybody, so I've got the StreamDeck XL, and I just brought it up on the screen here so you can just get an idea of like some of the buttons and controls that I have just configured or whatever for doing this stream here. Obviously I haven't filled it up, right? Because for this type of stream I don't need a whole lot of controls, but you see I'm already on like the one shot I want here, but then I can also zoom in and I can get really close. So the buttons here just allows you to control the different settings of the scene, right? So it's really good to have this, and you can, you know, screen cover. Well, actually it would be this one, right? Screen cover would cover the screen, right, with my logo. So that's the kind of buttons I got set up for this type of scene. But you know, just having the availability of all these different buttons, if you're game streaming, right, you're gonna have a lot more controls. You can even do hotkeys and other things that can, you know, control the computer and other, you know, other aspects that you need to like make controls. For this, it's just real simple, real basic. I have a microphone. If I want music, I got a music player down at the bottom. You can also put the levels, which is really cool. There was a new feature that they just added, like if you needed like I think it's this one. Hold on, auto detection, is this it? I don't know, I don't think that's it. There's one where you can do some actual controlling of levels, which is really cool too. The volume controller, I don't know how to add it. I'm gonna have to figure out how to add it. But you can actually like use the buttons to control the audio levels. Yeah, I think we're gonna call this on this, but I want to show you before I go that there is a 6% discount on Amazon right now for this. I don't know what the actual website is, but $235, that's not too bad. I think it had a greater discount when I bought it, because it was closer to Black Friday. So if you are a streamer and this is what you're into, I can tell you right now that having this over the 15 key Stream Deck it's just going to be a game changer, man. It's going to allow you to control a lot more things. You're going to be able to do a lot more. You can zoom in, you know, you can have all kinds of different stuff pop up if you want. You know, if you add some other media, videos, and other stuff you want to pop up on the screen, you'll be able to add that no problem. And having a button to control it is just gonna make it that much easier on you. I mean, just look at that. I mean, on the 15 key, you know, I would typically 15 is like 1, 2, 3, right? I think where is it at? I have the old one here. Yeah, so it's 3 down, so it would be these, and then these across. So it's only this section, and you get all these extra keys. It's a big improvement, y'all. Yeah, guys. So the StreamDeck XL to me is just it's a game changer, man. If you're gonna get a Stream Deck to control your stream, I say just if you got the money, go for the XL version. The 15 key, you know, for me, I had it for a long time. It was good. I just want to be able to control more options, and I feel this is a game changer for me. And I think if you have the 15 key and you want to upgrade, this will be a game changer for you. So till the next one, y'all, you know what to do. I'm out of here.